Greetings from Test Prep Card. This is the high time. In order to prepare for this JEE for all four intakes, I mean to say February, March, April and May, right? And the good thing is that the MHRD Government of India, they have announced that there is no compulsion of getting 75% marks. So this gives you a very good scope and opportunity to fully focus on this crash course program that Test Prep Card has been conducting across the Middle East for all these 6 GCC countries, right? Give your best. Do not worry a lot, right? The thing is that what basically is the specialty of this Test Prep Card crash course, right? On the basis of what we have been giving the results in bulk through this crash course. It is very simple because at this point of time, I mean to say when you are at the threshold of writing your JEE after 2 months, 3 months, 4 months or 5 months, I don't think that any course is going to teach you basics, right? Because you have done your basics for last 2 years. You have learnt all the theories. You also know how to translate the theories into concepts. Now what is left? The thing that left is to give a competitive touch to your subjective preparation that you have done so far in grade 11th and 12th in physics, chemistry and math. For that, what happens here at Test Prep Card? What basically the specialty of this Test Prep Card crash course? It is that you practice 5,700 questions for physics, chemistry and math with Test Prep Card, which is divided into the level of difficulty. The questions are of nature, the questions are of diverse nature and they are of different level of difficulty, which is the very much of the nature of a JEE Main and JEE Advanced questions, right? That's the first thing. Second, you practice with us 20 full length test, okay, as per the current pattern. So 1800 for this and 5700 for this, 7500 questions you are doing, where each and every question is a matter of doubt removal with the top teachers of India here at Test Prep Card. So having done this much, do you believe that you won't be able to produce a result under this CIWG and DASA quota? One more thing we would like to caution you here from Test Prep Card. Please do not think that CIWG and DASA quota has been removed. This is the lifeline of the Middle East for all Indian expatriates. This has been existing since last 31 years. It is existing, it will be existing. That is it. So you have to apply under this CIWG and DASA quota, having written JEE Main, which is all about physics, chemistry and math. So this is the time to sleep, eat and drink physics, chemistry and math for JEE. All the things, now they are making all sort of arrangements so that each and every student from Middle East, they must be going for this examination, which is a matter of joy for all of us. That is called JEE Joint Entrance Examination, so that you can target your opportunity under this CIWG and DASA quota for all these NITs, IITs, IIITs and other premium centrally funded institutions. If you really want to know about the opportunity or anything else about this crash course, please do register over here, give all your details. We are going to contact you back in no time. Or if you have any specific technical queries about JEE, about CIWG and DASA or whatever is related or concerned with the JEE or CIWG DASA, your admission process, your application process for JEE, application process for CIWG and DASA. If you want to know any of the minor test details, please do write to us at info@testprepcard.com. And in order to stay tuned with the latest information, please do not forget to subscribe us. Thanks a lot.